everyone, this is Julia. So today I'm going to teach you how to sell Mary Kay products. I'm going to give you some of the pointers. I actually wrote it down. So here it is. During the first 4 seconds of meeting your clients, right, you need to show your intellect, your enthusiasm and expertise. What I mean by that, meaning when you meet them, you need to make them feel comfortable when they come to your classes, and then you need to smile, you need to make sure that you put on makeup, you need to make sure that you actually warmly welcome them. I mean, perhaps if you have water in your office, you could actually offer to them and ask them whether they want any water. And then also you can also be very enthusiastic about introducing the products that you're going to introduce to them. You can actually get them to introduce themselves first. Tell me your name, what do you do, and then what's your skincare or makeup concern, and what do you want to learn today. So this is how I sell. After that, right, I'll introduce to them how old is Mary Kay. We started in 1963, and then we are in Dallas, Texas. We have won so many awards, right? And the marketing team in Mary Kay has done so well that we actually have so many awards. So you can actually say that we are actually top notch. We have won so many awards, right? And our products are all patented. And then you can also say that your story, you know, what kind of products that you like when you first know about Mary Kay, and then why do you like Mary Kay so much. You can actually sell yourself in the sense that you can actually tell people like what makes you so attracted to Mary Kay. It could be flexibility of time, it could be the income, extra income that you're looking for, and also it could be that you love the sisterhoods, you make new friends, and then or it could be, you know, like the security for you, because you know nowadays jobs are not so secure, and then with the this new virus coming on, you know, many people may even be laid off, you know, for work. Yeah, and then also you can also say that it has you have your own business, you know. So basically, right, when we all say that lifetime business, meaning that even, you know, I want to say something like even if it fails short-term basis, like people are saying no to you to attending your classes, so what? Just continue doing it, because I got lots of BCs, right, who often feel a bit sad when they felt that customers or their friends are actually saying no to them to attending their classes. But you know, to me, right, it's like this is a lifetime business that you're looking at, so you should be committed to doing it lifetime. Because I have been doing it for the last 10 years and I'm really enjoying it, and I can move around, I can go holiday as I want to, and I can follow up with my customers at the same time, and then, you know, I can actually choose to go even when I'm traveling. I still can follow up with my customers. So literally it's like my favorite job, that I could travel and work at the same time. This is like what I always wanted, to be able to travel anywhere that I want and still get a job and still have a job. Yeah. So yeah, and then you can actually tell them that it's a good, you can actually impress them with your expertise, you know, like for all of us, we are very well trained in skincare, in makeup as well, and then also you know, for image wise, you can actually look for me, I can teach you on image, right? So you can actually tell them that, you know, you have learned so much skills from Mary Kay, and then that you actually, you know, most importantly is you need to change, you know, you have to show them your before and after picture. So that's what I always do, I show them my before and after picture. So here's my before and after. After that, right, you keep the customer intrigued. You know, you actually teach them how to wash their face properly. You actually teach them how to mask their face properly. You actually teach them how to take care of the skin properly. And after that, you teach them how to do makeup. So while doing the mask, right, we often do like treatments first, right, in the middle of the classes, and then after this, where we share our story. Story is so important. You have to have a few versions of it. You have to have one for homemakers, you have to have one for students, you have to have one for office people, because you know, you have to impress them, and also you have to inspire them to actually want to join you. Basically during the classes that you're doing, right, you're actually inspiring them so that you could be the catalyst for their dreams. You know, maybe they wanted to think about like having their own business, but they have no idea what to do, and maybe they are always interested in doing beauty line, but they have no idea how to start. So you know, your story is very important to actually tell them more about the stories, about how you started, and then how much money do you like put it up. For me, it's just $600 to start a business. So, and then after that, I started this business, and then after that, gradually I became a senior director, a sales director. Gradually I became a consultant, then after a senior consultant, a team builder, team leader, then I became a future sales director, then I became a sales director, and now I'm a senior director. So I am really, really thankful for all my customers and all my team members for your support. Thank you so much for your support. I will always remember how much love that you have given to me. And then when you do the iStory, right, people do not buy logic, they buy emotion. So you need to tell them the iStory that inspired people to want to join you if you want to find recruits. For me, right, I will always sell first, then after that, if they are interested on that day, I really would want to recruit, because if they can enjoy further discount, why not, and then at the same time, right, they can actually introduce friends to you, and then you can also help them to recruit and sell at the same time. In this business, right, you have to help each other so that they can grow at the same time. So right now, as you know, that we are all constantly doing a lot of videos, because right now online video is the trend right now. Everybody said that by 2020 everything everybody will be shopping online. So it's very necessary that you actually know how to do a video, and then also how to be trained to also tell your iStory. So if you have no idea how to tell your iStory, please let your director know so that she can vet through for you. Okay, next, convince that he or she really needs the deal, so that when you do your classes, right, you can actually ask your customers, right, what kind of products do they have, and then you can say that actually this part, left side of the products is used by me, used by my products, right, and then right side is by your own products, because normally when we do classes we only do one side so that you can see a difference. And then usually our products can sell by itself, you don't have to really hard sell, so we also don't really do a lot of hard sell in terms of our products. So if you're interested to learn how to sell the products, there'll be product knowledge workshop, there'll be also one-on-one coaching from me. If you are not you have not joined any Mary Kay consultants, you can actually join me, and I'm willing to teach you on the product knowledge as well as how to sell the products. And then you need to sell your vision of a more positive future. So you need to tell people like what sort of maybe you're looking forward to become a senior director, or you're looking forward to become a senior consultant, you're looking forward to become a team builder, you're looking forward to become a director of your unit, so that you look for people to join you. So that's why in the iStory you need to be very concise. If there's steps to follow, you should ask your director or ask your recruiter how should it be done. So if you have no idea, if you are recruited by me and you have no idea what sort of iStories to say, please look for me. We'll do a one-on-one coaching. Alright, and then collect information to understand your clients better. So you need to collect information. So this is what we actually provide, right? There's always a profile form. Okay, this is the profile form that we always get our customers to fill in, and that's how we understand them better. And then we know like what's their skin type, and then what's their current skincare routine that they have, and then also what brand are they using, and then have they tried Mary Kay products before, and then today I'm interested to learn about, so this part, right, today I'm interested to learn about prevent aging, improve skin tone, minimize dark circles, prevent blemishes, improve thin skin, maintain hydration and overall skin health. This is very important for us so that you know their wish list. Yeah, some of my clients were like, can I tick everything? I say fine, you can tick everything, no, not a problem. So we know like what's their concern, very, very important. Next, you can actually explain more than once that the product is stunning, so you can actually explain to them like, hey, this product that you tried today, the Radiance Peel for example, is very good to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and to minimize your pores. At the same time, it reduces wrinkles so that you don't have to put on a lot of other products, right, to make sure that you are wrinkle free. So you can actually say all these things, and then they can ask you like, oh, then how often should I use? You can tell them that you are using like, you can use like once a week, for the product, so that you look younger. And then I will come like 2 weeks later to come and review your skin. Then 2 months later I come and see your skin again. So we do a lot of reviews, a lot of follow-ups. Yeah. And then never compete our products with other products. Like for example, so and so brand with our brand. No, we don't do this. Yeah, so remember, if customers say that, hey, you know, how about a whitening serum from Shiseido, for example, you just tell them that, oh, we don't compare products, so I have no idea, and I've never used it as well. The thing about us, we can actually recommend the right products to customers because we have used the products ourselves. So we are actually Mary Kay ambassador. So if you're interested to become a Mary Kay ambassador, please look for me. I'm most willing to train you, and then most willing to teach you how to do it. Okay. Yeah, next, practice your opening and make a connection with the customers. So as I mentioned earlier, you can actually practice your opening. You can actually ask customers, right, like what sort of skincare concern or makeup concern, and then what do they want to learn today, and then you practice on one customer. You can do like a one-on-one first if you're still new, so that it's easier for you to, you can actually ask your friend, hey, you know, would you be my model? You know, I need models because I wanted to become a makeup trainer, and then I really need your support. So always ask for help if you have you know, face something that nobody is like nobody wanted to attend your class. This season, this Chinese New Year is such a good excuse to meet people and then invite them for your classes. Don't you think so? Yeah. So, and then lastly is keep going. So just keep remembering that, you know, even if people say no to you, it's just a little noise towards yes. Always say that, okay, it's okay, you know, I can, maybe we can arrange meeting again, and then I can catch up with you again. Maybe next time around you will be interested. You can actually say that, you know, actually there's no obligation to buying the products, just for you to try, you know, and then I would like you to be my hostess. You can bring friends to me if you enjoy the classes, and I can actually do your classes in the office as well. So if you are not confident to doing classes yet, get your recruiter to do it for you or your director, and I'm sure they are most willing to help. So I hope that this video is useful for you. Please share and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. And if you have not joined Mary Kay yet, and then you're looking to join Mary Kay and would like to try the products, please look for me. I'm Julia, most willing to teach you and train you if you are not approached by any Mary Kay consultant. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!